Hello everyone, welcome back in another lecture of Anand tutorial for Neet. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is immunity. So let's begin. Immunity is the ability of the body to fight against the disease causing organisms. Immunity is of two types, that is innate immunity and acquired immunity. So first of all we will discuss innate immunity. Innate immunity is present in the form of barriers. There are four types of barriers, that is physical barrier, physiological barrier, cellular barrier and cytokine barrier. Physical barrier includes skin, mucous lining of epithelium of respiratory, gastrointestinal and urinogenital tract. Physical barrier helps in providing immunity by not allowing the organisms to enter in our body. Next is physiological barrier. Physiological barrier includes various secretions, that is tears from the eyes, saliva in the mouth and various acids present in our body, that is HCl in the stomach. Along with the secretion, physiological barrier also includes high temperature during the fever. These physiological barrier does not allow the replication of the organisms, hence the number remains constricted. Next is cellular barrier. Cellular barrier includes various WBCs like polymorphonuclear leukocytes, neutrophils, monocytes and natural killer cells. Natural killer cells produces an enzyme, a protein called as perforins. This perforin creates pores in the virus infected cells and cause its lysis by entering the water into it. Next is cytokine barrier. Cytokine barrier includes a protein called as interferon. Interferon is produced by the virus infected cells and this helps in alarming the non-virus infected cells, and also it produces an enzyme which does not allow the synthesis of the protein which is required for the replication of the virus. So replication of the virus is infected, or we can say replication of the virus is stopped. So virus number does not increases in the body. So this was all about innate immunity. So let's move towards the acquired immunity. Acquired immunity, as the name suggests, is acquired during the lifetime, not present since birth. Acquired immunity is of two types, that is active and passive. Active immunity is the immunity when the antibodies are produced within the host organisms when the host is exposed to various pathogens, and passive immunity is when the ready-made antibodies are given to the host. These active and passive immunity are further of two types, that is natural and artificial immunity. For example, we can say in active immunity, natural is when the antibodies are produced in the host when it is infected by any pathogen, and artificial is given by vaccines. In passive immunity, natural is when the organism, or we can say when the baby gets immunity, that is IgA antibody from the mother's milk, and active when the ready-made antibodies is given to the host organism. So this was all about a brief of immunity. Active immunity, this acquired immunity is further of two types, that is cell mediated immunity and humoral immunity. We will talk about these two in upcoming lectures. Hope you like this video, and if you have, then please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video as much as you can. Thank you and all the best for NEET. Thank you.